You got the Yoshimura. This thing is so crispy. You got the full exhaust, so we're about to get this thing up, put together. We'll kind of take it step by step. All right, so I mean, first thing you gotta do is simply just take this off with that. Take that off just to expose this. All right, so we're gonna take this cover off. It's just a 4mm Allen key.
We might end up needing.
Now that we got that off, it's just a little bit easier to get to. All right, so you'll just have a few 12 mils to crank off for the back section. Right here and right there. So right now we did get this clamp loosened up, and we had a bolt in there just to keep it from floating. And I think we're gonna, oh no. It should just come out just like that. Should have two 12mm for the front. Those should be it. Yeah. And now the fun part, the assembly. So I'm really not. So I think the plan is to assemble the actual. All right, scratch that. What you're gonna wanna do is put the front side on first, and then meet the back side with the springs, because it'll be a lot easier to fit in there.
Starting to strip, I can feel it. You just want a hand.
Where's that bitch go? In the fucking maze of shit.
I see it. There we go.
Get down, won't hurt it. So right now we're attempting to get this mid pipe connected without scratching anything, of course. And that's what, a 12mm? It's the same thing. Go ahead and use the 12mm that they give you to assemble that back on with the one with the rubber bushing. Next thing you want to do is try to stretch this spring and stretch it across the brackets. And you'll use the tool that they give you. Show that tool, Dale. Or else it'll be hard to pull that spring across. So with the Yoshimura RS-9, you have, what's it called? A spark arrestor. Is that what it's called? And it's just kind of this little thing that will go on the tip of the exhaust. And you kind of feed it in like that. This is new to us, so bear with us. You kind of slip it in there like that. So you'll stick the bolt up inside through the bottom and tighten this on there. So be very careful that you don't drop that little 8mm bolt or that 8mm nut, because you will lose it inside of there. So it looks like this is a 3mm Allen with an 8mm bolt. That'll fasten this down. Go ahead and throw that little grommet back on there. Did you push it too much?
Yeah.
He pushed it too far, so right now we're gonna try to figure out something to fish out that little rubber grommet so he doesn't have a hole in his tip. Good job, doctor. Boom, just like that. So now it's the simple part. It's just kind of slipping your exhaust on. So after you got that 12mm bolt, you're gonna wanna move on to your springs. Gonna hook one right there, stretch it out with the tool, and then throw it on that bracket there. And that should be the full assembly of your What, Yoshimura RS-9?
Yoshimura.
Yoshimura RS-9. Don't forget to throw your exhaust guard on there so you're not burning your pants. Nice gear. Go ahead and slip your plastic back on. So once you got everything back together, this should be your final product. This is his first start with his new full exhaust. I like that a lot better. Go ahead and give him some. Probably not the best day, but I'd ride it.